Hi Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy Reading for the month of August 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. Sagittarius, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. And Sagittarius, if this message does not resonate with you, you may consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. All of those messages may resonate with you. And on today's reading here, Sagittarius, I'll be looking into your energy and your person energy, and we are going to see what comes up for you for the month of August and the rest of August 2021. I'm also going to be pulling some guidance message and advice for you here as well. So let's start with the reading. On this side here, Sagittarius, is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. So the sign that I've got coming up for you here, Sagittarius, I'm getting a very strong earth sign, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. I'm also getting a very strong fire energy coming up here as well, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, as well as air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. You could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now let's start with your energy here, Sagittarius. I've got the Nine of Wands energy coming up here. I've also got the Three of Wands energy coming up here as well. Now, with both of this energy here as well as the Judgment energy coming up here, some of you here, Sagittarius, a group of you here, I would say, is actually already ready to move on into another connection, I would say here, or even like just focusing on yourself, focusing on maintaining stability and financial stability, financial independence coming up here. Now, some of you here, Sagittarius, one thing that I've got here is that still getting a very strong defensive energy I'm getting coming up from your side here, Sagittarius, which I feel like some of you here either still harboring some pain, some anger, some hurt with your person here is what I'm getting. Now, all of these feelings and all of this emotion that you're currently going through at this point of time is definitely 100% valid, I would say. But at the same time, with all of this anger, pain and hurt, now this anger, pain and hurt, all of this negative emotion and negative feeling might be related to your person, but some of you here, Sagittarius, all of this pain and all of this trauma might be related to someone from your past or certain group of people from the past, like your ex, like your family, some sort of like inner child trauma, childhood trauma, family issue, family upbringing that you might still be holding onto yourself here subconsciously. This is what making you feel a little bit of stressful, a lot of anxiety and frustration is what I'm getting coming up here. Now, with this Three of Wands energy and the Nine of Wands energy coming up here, the only reason that you are feeling stuck, or the only reason that you feel a very strong stagnancy energy coming up here in your life, is because of certain things that either you are not ready to let go, or certain things that you are no idea that you're still holding on into that. Like I said before, the pain, the trauma, the hurt, the anger and all of those energy here. This is part of the lesson, or this is part of the energy that you need to let go here, Sagittarius. Another thing that I've got coming up for you here is that with the Six of Pentacles energy coming up, you are trying so hard. I'm getting like a very strong struggling energy that I'm getting coming up for you here to maintain balance within yourself. Now, this balance energy can be related to your emotion, can also be related to your love situation here. Some of you here, you are also having a very strong stress, I would say here, or just like little bit uneasiness or off balance here regarding your financial situation or regarding your financial stability. Overall energy that I'm getting coming up for you here, Sagittarius, is that you need to go deep within yourself here to find yourself, or refinding yourself, like rediscovering yourself, I would say here. And when you do that here, you are also going to start realizing there are certain things that you're still holding on into yourself here that you need to let go. This is part of your healing process. This is part of your learning process here is what I'm getting, Sagittarius. Now let's look at into your person energy here. I've got the Page of Wands, I've got the Ten of Pentacles coming up here, I've also got the High Priest with the Five of Pentacles energy coming up here. Now, this is not going to be for every one of you here, Sagittarius, like a very, very specific group of you here. There is a very strong third party situation that your person is currently holding on into. This third party situation could be something related to their kids or something related to their children, and something And for a certain group of you here, this could also be like the childhood trauma or the inner child trauma that your person is currently still holding on into. So what I'm getting coming up here is that a very strong fear energy is what I'm getting coming up here from your person, Sagittarius. Fear of being left out in the cold, fear of being hopeless again, fear, just a very strong fear is what I'm getting coming up here. So for those of you, or for those of your partner who are currently in a certain third party situation, with this page of wands energy here, I'm getting that they are afraid to leave this karmic situation or afraid to leave this third party situation because of their children or because of the kid. Here is what I'm getting. They're afraid of not being able to be there for their children, not being able to be there for their kids. So they're kind of like still holding on within this karmic situation, even though there is no more wish fulfillment, even though there is no more peace energy within the karmic situation, but they're still trying to hold on into that because of the children situation. Now some of you here, some of your partner, I would say here, Sagittarius, with this high priestess energy I've got here and the 10 of Pentacles energy coming up here, they do already come to the realization that the third party or the family that they're currently being stuck or that they're currently feeling stuck within here is a karmic connection, because like I said before, they are no longer feeling that fulfillment with the karmic and with the third party situation here. But for them to actually make the move is something that they're feeling quite scared of at this point of time here. So this is what making them to be a little bit unbalanced energy, I would say here at this point of time here, Sagittarius. But that does not mean that they do not like you or they do not love you or they do not have any feeling towards you here. But for them, it's not also about a choice that they need to make here, because it's no longer about them. It's no longer about the person that they're with at this point of time here. Like, this is involving a completely different set of scenario, completely a different set of reason, because involving the children, involving like the other person here at this point of time. Some of them here could also be staying in that particular marriage or in that particular karmic situation here because of the family because of the family compulsion, I would say here. Like, the family was kind of like forcing them to be together. Here's also another thing that I've got. Now the advice energy that I'm getting coming up for you here, Sagittarius, I've got passion coming up here for you. Do what excites you, get fired up about your life, increase your energy level. I've also got gentleness coming up here as well for you, Sagittarius. Be kind to yourself and other, honor your gentleness, speak the word of love. So this is going to be for your, like, this advice is definitely going to be for you here, Sagittarius, that you need to be gentle on yourself first here, understanding the core and understanding the main reason for your pain and main reason for your trauma here, and be gentle within yourself. Now with this passion energy coming up here, even though at this point of time things between both of you here might not really be looking too well, and the union that will be happening between both of you here may take a little bit of a while, because your person need to be need to be dealing with their own fear regarding this karmic situation, regarding this third party situation. So meanwhile, there is this space and this separation between both of you here. It's really important for you here, Sagittarius, to rediscover yourself here once again, finding up your passion, finding out what is it that you need to be doing within yourself here is what I'm getting. So that's it for your reading here, Sagittarius. I hope it resonates with you. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.